What's up YouTube? So today Google has announced its Pixel 4 and 4 XL lineup. We already know that what will be the Pixel 4 and 4 XL, but still waiting for the official words. We have seen things like Project Soli, 90Hz refresh rate inside the Pixel 4 and 4 XL. Some more features which are included in terms of software like improved Google Assistant and recorder with voice and new search inside the audio. First, looking at the display, we have a 5.3-inch Full HD Plus flexible OLED display in Pixel 4, while the Pixel 4 XL has different OLED display than the Pixel 4, and it is a QLED 6.3-inch flexible OLED display inside the Pixel 4 XL. On the front side, we have a Gorilla Glass 5 support on both Pixel's devices, provided the best protection on the front side. Moving on, and one of the best things which I feel Google has added in its OLED display for Pixel 4 and 4 XL is the implementation of 90Hz refresh rate, and that would be awesome, which I really like since 90Hz has been introduced in OnePlus phones, and the success it gained, more and more companies are starting to include it in their devices. Google provides dynamic 90Hz refresh rate rather than static, which is interesting, and definitely we will see its pros and cons in the future. Another thing which is added inside the Pixel 4 family is the Project Soli radar, which make Google Pixel 4 family as world first phone to have a radar inside the mobile devices. Well, this Project Soli radar will let you control a device without touching it. Well, we see its pure functionality when we see in hand this device, but right now I am optimistic. I have just one concern: with 90Hz refresh rate Soli radar inside the device, what will happen to the battery of Pixel 4 family? In terms of battery, we have 2800 mAh of battery inside Pixel 4, while Pixel 4 XL has 3700 mAh of battery with 18-watt Type-C fast charging support in both the devices. Also, both devices support wireless charging as well. If we look at inside the device, we have a Snapdragon 855 processor with a 6 GB of RAM in both the variants, while we have a 64 GB and 128 GB storage variant are also available. In terms of backside, well, on the backside we have a dual camera setup with one main camera of 12 megapixels, while the other one is a 16 megapixel telephoto lens with a 2x zoom. Talking about the software, well, inside the Google Pixel 4 family we have an Android 10. Every new update which will be provided inside the Pixel 4 family first. There is another feature which I personally really like: recorder. A new recorder has been added inside the Pixel family, and its features are not only record your voice, but alongside with that you can also convert your voice into the text form. There is another new feature which is implemented in this recorder, that we can find any text which we have inside the device, that we can search specific text inside the audio, which is one of the awesome and unique feature from Google. Google Pixel 4 will also come in 3 colors: just black, clearly white, and also orange. Keep in mind that also orange is only available in limited variant. Last thing is the price. Well, we see a starting price of $799 for Pixel 4, and for Pixel 4 XL it will be $899. At the end, well, my opinion is mixed about Google Pixel 4, as this device has many new features are added at a decent price with 90Hz, but along with its benefits there are some things which I feel Google should have improved, like adding more powerful battery, an ultra-wide camera, and a fast charging support. Still, fast charging 18 watt is a fast charging. I was hoping that Google will provide a 20 or 25 watt of fast charging inside the box. Since we got this thing, we have to stay with that. So thanks for watching this video. More content is on the way. Consider subscribing if you like this, and peace out.